Hi, this is Ganesh Kumar from IPI Real Estate. I am the managing partner for a company. Broker Connector, we have been for like 2 months now. We cracked our first deal in 15 days time. It was for an apartment in downtown in Burj Vista, wherein this client we had like since 1 year with us. Thursday evening we put in the request. We got the unit within like 30 minutes. Trust me, he put in the request to Mimi. I think Mimi posted it on the group. 30 minutes, Mimi connected us with the agent. He spoke. The series was matching. The size was matching. The MOU was signed exactly around on the 16th day from the time we started with Broker Connector.
I mean, from how long from matching with that agent to signing the MOU?
The very next day. The value was, if I'm not wrong, around 3.65 million. What happened is, at the same instance, I think similarly, like within 1 hour, the contact of Hazan was shared. This guy was like, brother, if you want, I'll give you the unit number straight away. I don't even need an agent to agent. I can trust you guys. That was the faith, so that created a further confidence on this platform as well. Came, they saw, done. That day done, we prepared the MOU, we took the check. Through Broker Connector, if I see, because the first one was fully with us, so that was something my partner's magic, which you can say, wherein we ensure that the seller's broker gets the commission from the seller and we get the full commission from the buyer. That was so. Considering that, we made around, you can say, like around 100,000 dirhams as a commission. We want to be that one point of contact for anything and everything related to property. How do I get it? I just refer to you guys, Broker Connector. I'll say, okay, I'm sending your number to a specialized team. They will get in touch with you. They will have the vendors giving you the quotations. That's it. So I know that my share is protected via Broker Connector. My deal is being done through Broker Connector. The vendor will not cheat Broker Connector because he is going to get referral business. I would recommend them to start with Broker Connector immediately. Broker Connector is a platform that saves you time, gives you an access to resources. I have to just inform Broker Connector. I just have to inform Mimi or Jane. Trust me, beautiful admins. You give them, this is a kudos to them, both of them. Trust me, you give them the inquiry. They just vet it. They post it in the group. 30 minutes to 1 hour, your response is there. Beautiful. And sometime within like 15 minutes, I've got the responses back, asking for agents to connect. That's the beauty of this. I get a requirement. I put it on Broker Connector. I get 10 different arms working for me. 90% of the task is taken care by these ladies. 10% at least I have to do, which is arranging the viewing and getting the things done. Time leveraging for me as an aspect, Broker Connector gives me that advantage. Save more of my time, focus on my work, focus on what I am doing exactly, making more money for the company and specifically for my agents. Take advantage of this, get the best of your time, use Broker Connector to the fullest. You save 90% of your time, rather than wasting your energy on finding resources. You have the resource ready made for you. Just go ahead and take it.